Let us look at question 6a. Give 7 moral values acquired during the marriage ceremony in traditional African communities. We have faithfulness, loyalty, patriotism, respect, responsibility or hard work, hospitality, tolerance, love, cooperation, humility, honesty, and integrity. Question 6b. State 7 roles of ancestors in the traditional African communities. What were their responsibilities? They blessed the living. They protected their families against calamities. They warned the living against impending dangers. They rebuked those who disobeyed the instructions. They safeguarded the traditions or the norms. They mediated between God and man. They punished offenders. They were invited in ceremonies to encourage the people. They assisted specialists in their work, and they welcomed the dead to the ancestral world. Question 6c. Give 6 conditions under which divorce may be allowed in the traditional African society. It may be allowed if the wife is lazy or laziness, due to laziness. Also, if one of the spouses is a witch, breaking taboos, disrespecting of the in-laws by one of the members of the couple, or members of disrespect of the in-laws either by the wife or the husband, unfaithfulness, failure to pay dowry, in case one is discovered to be a thief, in case one suffers from madness, leprosy, or epilepsy.